Do you know that nutmeg is a powerful natural spice known for its warming and healing properties? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade nutmeg oil at home that you can use for your skin, hair, and plus other amazing benefits. So to make this healing oil, you will need a whole nutmeg. You can decide to use ground nutmeg. So to make this nutmeg oil, you can decide to use nutmeg powder, but I like to grate my nutmeg because of the flavor. I don't want to lose the flavor of the nutmeg, so I like to grate the nutmeg. So you can decide to grate it or use your blender to blend it into a fine powder. So for this one nutmeg, let's see how many spoons that we have. I think I have, so this is almost 1 tablespoon of nutmeg. So with 1 nutmeg, I was able to get, let's call it 1 tablespoon of nutmeg. So into a clean jar, I'm going to add the grated nutmeg. Then you can decide to use any oil of your choice: olive oil, grapeseed oil, almond oil, rapeseed oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil. So I'm going to be pouring the oil. It depends on how active you want the nutmeg to be. So 1 tablespoon, this is the oil that I'm using. You can shake this, cover it and leave it for 2 weeks to infuse properly. But if you want this quick, you will use the double boiler method to extract all the nutrients from the nutmeg into the oil. So I'm going to be using double boiler method to extract all the nutrients into the oil. So into a pot, I've added water. I'm going to put the jar into the pot of water. Allow the water to boil. While the water is boiling, it will heat the oil and extract all the nutrients from the nutmeg into the oil. So when I'm done, I'm going to sieve to get the oil. There are so many amazing benefits of nutmeg. Nutmeg oil is a very strong oil, so you need to always dilute it before applying to your skin. It depends on what you want to use it for. You can also use nutmeg oil to relieve muscle and joint pain. It will help to improve circulation, help to reduce acne, improve your skin texture, and it has calming properties that will help for relaxation. You can also add few drops of vitamin E oil if you are using this for your hair or skin. Then when I'm done adding, mix and store in a clean jar.